Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's about 11 a.m., about 44 degrees. Looking at the YJ project here. And we're going to take this tub and put it back on that frame. Make a farm Jeep out of it, I believe. This Jeep right here is the main project. So this is actually pieced together 3 different Jeeps. So hopefully Odo gets this finished. He's been working on it when he can. Right now he's in Tampico working on the JK along with his big brother, trying to get the transmission to shift right. Anyway, hopefully he gets that done today and I get my little YJ back that he's been driving. Be nice to get back on the trail. As far as today, I'm not sure how much we'll get done today. Doug's always got a stick. The girls are not liking this wind. It's spooking them. Well, this wind's kicking today. March wind's here early. It's still February. Wow, this is a real cold wind. The wind's even picking up even more. Woo! It's really cold. Yeah, this sign right here was on top of the chicken coop. It flew over the other side of the barn over here. Hang on. Okay, I got everyone fed. The chickens are producing again. That's 8 eggs. A lot cleaner today since it's not so muddy anymore. Until the next rain. Harold's over here sharing with the babies. Well, Mama just kicked out another baby, so there's 3 of them over here with Harold eating grain and alfalfa. Petunia, the mother, she's only got 1 left over here. Must be her favorite. She's usually got 1 with her, and she kicks the other ones out. Okay, the family out here, they're happy. If you can eat a pig, let me know. You get rid of them. Got too many. My tug of war. Well, the wind's really blowing now. It should start drying up here. Still a little moisture in the ground. Well, it's 49 degrees outside, about 6:15. It's still kind of windy. It's cold chill going on. Anyway, inside here is nice and warm. I thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.